Good morning. Jay Will back with another video. Had a long night last night. I just woke up and we're gonna check these results at the same time. I haven't looked at my account yet. Let's get it. It's Sunday, about 11 a.m., January 24th. Check on this ad. Today, let me see how many total clicks. So far, I got about 23 total clicks today, 17% click-through rate, which is really good. Spent about $107 today so far. Now let's head over to Digistore and see if we made any profit. Let's log into Digistore. Okay, look like we made some money today. January 24th, made about 462 bucks. So far today, we still in profit. I still have about 20 more bucks to spend on my ad spend. So if I get another sale, I'll update you guys. But we was looking at about $355 in profit today, which is really well. You take $355 and multiply that by 30 days in a month. It's about 10K a month. So it's a full-time income. Just like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV2. I will leave that in the video description.